Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Learn English with Shelly Viva. Today we will learn questions in the present continuous tense. So let's get started. So just a quick recap. Present continuous tense is used to talk about current or present continuous actions. It is formed with the correct form of be and present participle. For example, he is playing soccer. Subject is he, be is, present participle is playing, and the rest of the sentence is soccer. Please note, present continuous is also used to talk about future plans. For example, we are going to the mall tomorrow. To ask questions in the present continuous tense, swap the subject and the form of be. For example, he is playing soccer. In order to form that into a question, we swap the he with is. So now the question will be, is he playing soccer? Is he playing soccer? In order to form questions in the present continuous tense, we need the correct form of be, which can be either am, is, or are, plus the subject, plus the present participle or verbing, plus the rest of the sentence. For example, am I working this Saturday? Am is the correct form of to be, I is the subject, present participle is working, and the rest of the sentence is this Saturday question mark. Let's look at the other examples. Are you working this Saturday? Are we working this Saturday? Are they working this Saturday? Is he working this Saturday? Is she working this Saturday? And lastly, is it working properly? Please note the rest of the sentence is not always needed in order to make a complete sentence. For example, is she singing? Is correct. Or you can say, is she singing a song? This one is also correct. So both of those examples are correct, and both of them are complete sentences. Now let's take a look at more examples with pictures or short video clips in order to better understand this lesson. First example is she playing tennis? Is she playing tennis? Is she working next Friday too? Am I working until 7 p.m.? Are you coming to the party? Are we watching a live performance tonight? Is he eating chocolate? Is it raining outside? Are they going to Tiffany's concert next Saturday? Is he taking the metro? Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope this video was helpful. And for more videos like this, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you guys so much. See you guys soon.